to my video. Let me introduce myself. I am Olivia Ramadhani, majoring in Information System. This time we will discuss two topics, namely inside the computer and malware, which I think are very interesting. Get ready for some of the discussions, and my goal this time is for all my friends to know this summary material. Okay, let's start the discussions. Overview 1. Heading 2. Introduction 3. Computer architecture 4. Central processing unit CPU 5. Cooling system 6. Memory RAM 7. Motherboard 8. Free card CPU 9. Calculation. First material 1. Heading inside the computer. Computer components. A computer is made up of various components that work together. These components are divided into two types: hardware, physical parts; 2. Software, programs and instructions; 3. Brainware, human device. Computer function. There are two functions. 1. Control function controls all operations in the computer, manages the flow of data. 2. Communication function helps in data sharing, connects with other devices via the internet, Bluetooth, edge. Next material, introduction. Computer definition. A computer is made up of several important parts that work together to process data and perform tasks. An electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program. Basic function of the computer: input, data reception; processing, data processing; output, appearance of results; and storing data. This function allows the computer to receive input, process it, display the results, and store the information for future use. Okay, next material. Computer architecture. Main components: CPU, central processing unit; RAM, random access memory; storage, HDD, SSD; motherboard. Material: central processing unit CPU, divided into components: control unit in charge of regulating all computer operations; ELU, arithmetic logic unit, to carry out various calculations and logic; the register function as a flash to store data or instruction that will be processed in the main memory RAM. Okay, next material. Cooling system. Importance of cooling: prevents overheating. Cooling system type: air and liquid. Cooling components: fan, heatsink, and liquid cooler. Okay, next material. Memory RAM. RAM function: temporarily store data, roll in computer speed. RAM types: DDR, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4. Okay, next material. Motherboard. The motherboard is the computer's main circuit board. It's a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory, connectors for the hard drive and optical drives, expansion cards to control the video and audio, as well as connections to your computer's ports, such as the USB ports. Okay, next material. Free card. GPU. Graphics cards or GPUs, graphics processing units, are essential components in a computer that are responsible for processing and displaying graphics. GPUs are designed to handle complex mathematical calculation quickly, making them particularly useful in gaming, graphic design, and application that require incentive visual processing. Okay, next material. Calculations. All components a computer work together to make a computer function efficiently. Understanding what's inside help us maintain and upgrade our computers better. Okay, we will enter the second project, namely miscellaneous programs. This is a list of contexts that will be discussed. Table of contexts. 1. Title slide. 2. Introduction. 3. Types of malicious software. 4. Key characteristics of malware. 5. How to prevent malware. 6. Effects of malware. Okay, let's get into the material. Title slide. Malicious programs. Introduction. It is software that is created to infiltrate or damage computer systems, servers, or computer networks without the informed consent of the owner. This term is commonly used by computer experts to describe a wide variety of malicious or destructive applications or code. The term computer virus is sometimes used as a catch-phrase to include all types of destructive devices, including true virus. Next material. Types of malicious software. 1. Virus attacks itself to executable files and replicates when the infected program is executed. Can spread through email, attachments, or infected media. 2. Worm, a self-replicating program that spreads across networks without user intervention, exploits vulnerabilities in systems to propagate. 3. Trojan horse appears as a legitimate program but contains hidden malicious functions, can lead to unauthorized access or damage to the system. 4. Ransomware encrypts files on a victim's computer and demands payment for decryption, often spreads through phishing emails or malicious download. Okay, next material. Key characteristic propagations. Different malware types have unique methods of spreading, such as user action, virus, or automatic replication, worms. Pilot, the intended harmful action of the malware, which can range from data death to system damage. Concealment, many malware types employ techniques to avoid detection, such as encryption or disguising themselves as legitimate software. Okay, next material. How to prevent malware. Use antivirus software, update the system regularly, avoid suspicious links or attachments. Do not install unknown software. Back up your data frequently. Okay, next material. Effect of malware. 1. Data loss. 2. Slow performance. 3. Identity theft. 4. System cracks. 5. Not reset access to files. That all I can say. Apologies if there are any shortcomings, because perfection is the song yearned by Rizky Febian. Thank you everyone!